Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some Don't Press the Button 4. So, no, I just wanted to play it because I've been trying to search, and I did a Doors video, but I died really early, so I decided not to upload it, and delete it instead. So yeah, sad. Really wish I could find some glitches. I'm dead. Oh my god, barely made it. Oh my god, bro. Bro, they are trying to kill us. But let's just go this way, What are they trying to do to us? Bro, I almost died. Bro, stop placing these. Chill, bro. Oh, stop. And if we can't make it, maybe something. Are you serious? Why? Like, why? Tsunami, go. Some people climb through that. But I climbed through the ladder. Go. Oh, I see that. Oh my god, but why is it so big? Shoo. Okay. Bro, I'm a little safe. I'm safe. I'm safe, bro. You can do that? So you could do that, or you could just climb this peacefully. Bro, I didn't know that. I played this game before, but I didn't know that you could do that. Oh my god. Acid spreading. Oh. I think I can survive here. I'm safe. I am safe. Does it rise? Or does it just... Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Pull out the fire. Oh, okay. Okay, so when people... Why are they going in this house? Go. I'm going this house. I'm going... Okay, he's going in that house. Oh, each of us should got a house. Bro, what are they doing? Each of us should got a house, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna guard this house. Like, this house is gonna be mine. There it goes. This house is mine to guard. Oh no! Well, this is spreading like really bad. Oh my freaking god! Guys, help me here. Oh, we lost. Oh, is this one, bro? Got this. It's going down, bro. Boys, we're ready to do this. I'm really just... If I don't talk, then that means I'm really focusing. I'm pretty sure a lot of YouTubers say that. This is dumb. Sorry. You made it. That was easy. Oh my god. That's really sad. Watch out. Oh no. What the frick? Go. Ooh. I made it barely. Oh my god. I didn't know. I was like, watch out. And then I realized. Like, my brain cell. Yeah, bro, let's go do this. We shall enter the castle and confront the king. Let's do this. Oh, dude. Game, I see what you're trying to do here. You cannot trick the VGR. Yo. Oh, oof. One died, one down. Go. I'm literally like one. Go! Let's go. Do this. Come on. I'm gonna do this legitly. Oh, I did not think that would happen. Yo, I actually did not think that would happen. Yo, she fell for it, they fell for it. Bro, I ain't stupid. Of course I know that's gonna happen. Yay! Bro, what am I doing? Okay, so you can't do it like all at once. You can only do like one at once. It's impossible to do it like another one. See? Look. Okay, so we have to do this, bro. I just got a little bit too, had too much pride in my head. Look at this dude, the jetpack. He had a jetpack, but he still died. What? Why are we running? I'm hungry for candy. Now I'm getting energetic. Just thinking about this. Jen, go. Red coins, bro. I'm going for the red coin, bro. I don't give a crap, bro. What? Oh, so does that happen? Well, I'm so confused. Like, I just jumped in it and then it just like, now I'm confused. So you can't get that coin. Or something. Pretty much, you can't get those coins. They're baits. Coins are baits. And they caught me. Because I haven't played this game in a freaking while. Let's do this. Goalie! I'm a good goalie in actual Roblox, so I'm a good goalie in real life. Got it! Oh, you guys got it? You guys, okay, bro, he's getting it, bro. Got it? Oh, bro. He ain't even touching it. So bad. Oh, bro. Go. Oh, what is he doing? What is all the players doing? Like, bro, can you at least... He's like, okay, I've done enough help. He gets a sword. Oh, it's him. He can't do anything. He can't kill anyone with that carpet of his. Yo, made it. He can't do anything with that carpet of his. He's trying, but he can't kill him because he has a carpet. Save, bro. Boys, we save. Wait, I think we can. Yo, we can hide him here. Wait, we can be a monkey. Okay. Oh, I hear that. I was hiding in the trees. Monkey. Oh my god, guys. Get knocked in, bro. What is he? Ooh, that's gonna fall. Oh, look at that. Oh, bro, he's gonna survive. Oh, it's gonna be one of these. This is gonna be easy. Yo! We made it, bro. We're alive. We're alive. What the frick? Oh, avoid being rolled. Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, so it's pretty obvious. I know what they're doing. What? Oh! I thought I knew what they're doing, but they're just capping right now. Oh, yeah, that's getting... Oh, bro, he's safe. He's just chilling, bro. Dude's just chilling, bro. I'm gonna hop in with him, bro. Don't mind me! I'm out. Oh, I just took some damage. Yo, I'm just gonna chill and eat, bro. just chilling, bro. Just chilling. Bro, we just chilling, bro. Me and him just chilling, bro. This guy actually has to survive for his life. Bro, we're just chilling, bro. Yeah, don't mind us. Chilling. Chilling on the bricks. Me and him, we good, bro. We good. We good, bro. We good, bro. Yeah, bro. We're good. Me and him were like so good. Oh, I didn't even have a chance. This guy, what? Oh, it's Baby Seek. Who's gonna win, Baby Seek or this guy? He won against Baby Seek. Oh. Can we free them? Bro, he's getting chased, bro. Bro, he chased. Oh no, it's only me. Bro, he's fool, bro. I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, he knows, bro. He ain't fool, bro. I'm just gonna dance here. Someone press it. Reach the bottom. Yee. Look at all those. Yee. This guy, the magic carpet. Yee. I wish I could go. Oh, you can actually go fast. I can just do this. Oh yeah, I did not know that. Oh my god. These parts I'm scared about because I made it. I can do this. Yo, did it. Step on the button and then no one can press it. There's like these annoying people that just step on the button. Like, they have prison. Oh, you get a free prison outfit. Some people actually sell them for like $100. Yeah. Can we just like stay on here? Oh, it doesn't work, bro. That's smart. I didn't. The illusion. Oh, it's this. Whoa! Hi. Oh, see, bro. Oh, almost hit it. Oh, almost hit it. Oh, don't shoot. Oh, George did it, bro. Oh, almost hit it. George it. Oh, got him, I got him. Yo. Oh my god, I just killed the VC. The VC. Oh, think fast. Go. Go. I made it. Oh my god, bro. See, I know through the thing fast. And I was like, oh, this platform, that must mean something. Money, yeah. Yeah, boy, we got the money. We got the money. See, he hasn't been playing 132 rounds, and he's already got, like, the cargo. I'm gonna click the Easter eggs. Okay, let's go look for the Easter eggs. I haven't found a single one yet. This pillar must have an Easter egg. Whoa. There ain't no Easter eggs, bro. We don't know what you're talking about. There ain't no Easter eggs. Yo, never mind. There are Easter eggs. Yo, I finally got one Easter egg, bro. I have like a trillion Easter eggs. Okay, get away. Yo, Easter egg. Totally not a secret message. Yeah, totally not, bro. Bro, totally not gonna kill us. Totally not. The bad ammo. Oh my god, I've only found 2. I can't find any more. There's no more Easter eggs. Like, dude, that doesn't. They don't know what they're talking about, bro. No, there's no more Easter eggs. But where are the Easter eggs? Bro, wait. Oh, there's an Easter egg right here, bro. See that, bro? Give me that, bro. Give me that Easter egg, bro. Trees. Give me those Easter eggs, bro. Give me those Easter eggs, eh? He won! Follow Seek knows the way. Seek knows the way. That's dead end. Let's go there, bro. Follow this. Dude just has no idea, bro, where he's going, bro. Dude, no idea where he. Oh, she found the exit. Let's go. I think he's made it to the exit, but it doesn't register. So, bro, there ain't no. How do they? Knowledge, bro.
Knowledge.
Yeah, we're gonna cool hat.
Knowledge.
We're gonna cool hat, bro.
Knowledge.
Go score, go! Yes! Score! Score! Ah, we scored, bro! Score! We scored, bro! Please score these! We score these! Bro, we score these! Bro, we score these! Yay! We score, bro! We score! Yeah! Break through it, bro! Break through the defenses, bro! Break through the defenses! Yeah, bro, break through the defenses and score! Hey, yo, bro! Seek, stop. Nah, bro, don't stop, bro. Don't listen to him. They ain't the pussy. Bro, 40, and I don't see no 40, bro. Bro, look at the, oh, 40, bro. Yo, chill, bro. Let's go. Yo, winners, officers. Knowledge. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then good job. Thank you for enjoying my really special video. Not that special, by the way. I just wanted to record so I can get views. Yo. Okay, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash up. If you enjoyed the video. See you, bro.